Okay, I'm going to show y'all how to make this using Bootstrap 5. Site, new site, new folder, save it. Okay, hit create new. Don't go to Bootstrap because we're using Bootstrap 5, which does not come with Dreamweaver. A lesser version comes with Dreamweaver. Delete all this out. Okay, over here on the right hand side, drop down all versions. 5. Scroll down, hit copy. Okay, take this out. Take all this out. Go over here to the right hand column over on your files panel. On your root folder, click new folder, type CSS. On the root folder, right click, new folder, type JavaScript or JS. Go here to getbootstrap.com, click the download on the left. Click the first download button. Click this little arrow, open, extract all, browse to your root folder. And extract to there. Hit your refresh. There's what you've downloaded. Go into the CSS folder. Go to Bootstrap CSS, open it. File, save as. Put it in your CSS folder and hit save. Update links. Close, close. Go to your JavaScript, hit folder, hit Bootstrap JavaScript, open it. Save as. Go to your JavaScript folder. Save. Yes. Close, close. Now you can link to them. And bring in your JavaScript. Okay, that's your shell. You're ready to rock and roll. Okay, first thing you need is navbar. Copy, paste. Changing the background color. delete this because you don't need it anymore. Change the background color on the nav bar, and it's a green color. You can see here in live view the nav bar is responsive. Y'all, that is so amazing. Just with a copy and paste, you got the basics of a nav bar. Yeah, see, it works. Okay, next go here. Go over here to the right to Jumbotron. Click that. Click this link. Right click. Click inspect. Click this little arrow over here on the left. Click on the Jumbotron. It'll select it for you down here. Go to these three dots, right click them, hit copy element. Go back to Dreamweaver. Scroll your navigation up. Put in a div. Inside that div, paste your thing. I'm going to take this button out because I don't want it in here. Okay, that takes care of your Jumbotron. Go to your main root folder, right click, hit new folder, IMG, go to site, manage site, edit, advanced settings, local info, IMG folder, select folder, save, done. Right click, go to Explorer. Got the nav bar, we got the Jumbotron. Now we're going to build a grid to place 12 images in. So I'm in the container, I'm clicking over here on the DOM panel, and I am not insert after. And the first thing I need is row.row. Okay, and then I'm going to duplicate that. Duplicate it again. Okay, so I've got 3 rows. Okay, first row is the column. That is going to have a medium breakpoint that is 3 cells wide. And I'm going to duplicate that. Duplicate it again. One more time. And I think what I'm going to do is delete this, duplicate this row with all its columns, and duplicate this row with all its columns. Okay, so now I've got 3 rows. Each row has 4 columns. .img thumbnail. Okay, that's your grid with all your images in it. We got the footer to put in, and then we're done. Roll down to the footer, right click, inspect, right click, copy, copy element. Okay, and there's your page. Hope that was a help to some of y'all. Hope y'all see how easy it is to build pages with Bootstrap. Y'all read Bootstrap every day. You don't have to read the whole thing, but just start from the beginning and read a chapter every day. Remember that the versions are different. Each version has different documentation because the classes and stuff are different. So over here on the right, that's where you can pick the version you want to learn first. Just over here on the left, pick a chapter a day, a section of a chapter a day, but read some of this every day, build some every day until you get it. And don't rush yourself. Just spend 30 minutes a day. If that's all you can do, just do 30 minutes a day while you're drinking coffee. Okay? But Bootstrap is a wonderful, wonderful content management system, and you should be using it. It's great to be able to code all that, but you'd spend all day coding all that. And Bootstrap allows you to do it in minutes, what would take you hours to hand code. I mean, look at all this coding you got here. Look, it's like 4,000 lines of code. Granted, that one page doesn't use it all, but I mean, there's a lot of content on their CSS and their JavaScript, and I would just use it if they're giving it to you. It just makes your life so much easier. I mean, y'all have all done navbar by hand, and you know how long that can take. So this does it pretty simple. And I strongly recommend it. It helps your SEO. It gives you consistency across your website, and I really, really recommend Bootstrap. All right, that's all for now. Thanks.